Hello everyone, welcome to Job Alert MNC. Our mission is to provide a job to the job seekers. There the vacancy for the Linux administrator at Food Hub Software Solutions. You should aware of this about food software solution because sometime HR will ask the what you know about the food solutions company or what is this, and that's why I said about the company. What is the positions should learn from here? What is the position of the Linux administrator? What is the experience? And you should aware of this key responsibility. You should have knowledge of these all system installation, configuration, maintenance, performance monitoring and the troubleshooting, हार्डवेयर एंड नेटवर्क मैनेजमेंट, ये सभी आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होना चाहिए जिससे हम लोग जिससे ये चार अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन करता है तो आप आंसर दे सको. Automation and scripting, you should knowledge about the any one scripting knowledge like pythons, etc. These are the roles and the responsibility. What is the skills क्या होना चाहिए? You should aware about the Linux operating systems and the Windows servers network protocol. What is the protocol? What is the bash or shell ticketing tools? These all you should know about that in the details. What is the education's qualification? Any graduate in the computer science or the related field can apply. How to apply? I will add the link in the description list. You can click on here apply link and you can apply. You should create the Naukri profile. After you can apply and HR will call you as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.